Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yu Xiang, and this is Jin Jie. We are from the Rex Computer. Today we are here to tell you more about our company and our future plans. So here is an overview of the presentation today. Firstly, let me go through an overview of our company. Our mission is to produce the best and most innovative computers and to uphold the high standards of customer service. We have a strategic location for our factory, which is at Chicago, USA, with a production capacity of 75 units per day. Currently, we have 8 out of 20 available sales offices all around the world, with 7 salespersons in each sales office. As you can see on the map, we have dominated all the sales offices in USA. Now let me tell you more about our company brands. We are offering 4 different types of brands targeting at different market segments, with Rex Runner for traveler, Rex Radiance 2 for innovator, Rex Stallion for cost cutter, Rex Stallion 2 for workhorse. And most importantly, they are all #1 in the market. As can be seen from this graph, we are the market leader for 4 out of 5 segments. And we have a significant advantage over all other companies, especially for workhorse and innovators. As for Mercedes, we are on par with our competitors too. And in terms of total demand, we are ahead of other companies, and there's a huge gap in between. And it's also proven, in terms of total market share, that we have dominated 28% of the total market share, and followed by the rest. In terms of financial performance, we are the only team that's making profit. And this is proven by the cumulative financial performance, whereby we are the only team with positive figure. Now I'll pass on the time to Jin Jie to elaborate more on the future plans.
So let me give a summary. Okay, basically, we have dominated 4 out of 5 markets, target segment, and on par on the 5th one with the closest rival. And we hold the largest market segment, which is 28%, and we are the only profitable company. So this is actually the balance score sheet. As you can see, we are the highest ranking in almost all of the key performance indicators. So let me talk about the competitive advantage. Our company is the only company that locates the factory in US. This has allowed us to dominate the US market through our lower cost of production of goods. And then we can offer competitive pricing because our factory is the only one that is currently producing 75 units per day. It's because, according to our market research, this is the highest production in all the competitors. So we can offer the competitive pricing that other competitors cannot currently. So let me talk about our future plans. We plan to expand to all regions and cities in Q7, and we will form strategic alliance with 3 of the companies, in which 2 of them are very interested. And this will allow us to lower our R&D costs in terms of licensing. And for R&D, 2 of the technologies will be available for us in Q5, using our own money, in which other teams cannot because we are the only one profitable. And then we will use this technology to create products that will differentiate us from our company. And these products will have higher technology, and the consumer will demand more from it. Next, why should you invest in us? 1, as mentioned earlier, we are the top company in terms of market share. And 2, we are the most, and in fact the only profitable company in the industry. And 3, our growth strategies actually works. So we intend to seek 50 million from you guys, and in exchange for that, we will give you all 10% of our company share. And then our estimated return on investment is about 150%. So that's all of our presentation.
May I know the price per share?
Price per share?
Yes.
It's around 90.
90. Okay.
strategy did you use that will make your company the most profitable company?
Explain our competitor.
Sorry. Do you mean by future plans or the existing plans?
Existing plan, like what brought you to where you are today?
Okay, first we take a look at the most profitable markets where we do not have to compete so much, and we identify as America. And second, we tried to increase, and we did indeed we did increase our production capacity to 75 per day, which is the only one we are doing. The rest of the team are doing 25 or 50. So we are able to produce economy of scale. We can sell $400 to $500 cheaper, which means that we can just make $200 profit, and they have to sell below cost to match our margin, which is it's not practical with the deal for them. That's why we are able to sell so much units, and that they have hard time competing with us because they spend a lot of money on advertising as well. We spend not so much on advertising, but we focus more on pricing. Thank you.
May I know which are the two companies willing to form the alliance with you?
We are
Right.
in discussion with them.
May I
One
know
of them,
which are the two companies?
right, one of them is Protect Solutions, while the other one was Orange. Is Orange. Yes. Then Protect is one of the second largest market shareholders as well. So we have the top two. Thank you.
Can you elaborate more on your future expansion plan?
We will be opening 6 more offices and followed by 4 more offices, and last but not least 3 more offices, which means that by Q7 we have all the offices available in the market. And one advantage we have is that we are already gaining profit. In fact, we have more than $5 million cash in our cash balance, which allow us to provide more financings without having to invest our own monies, and which gives us an advantage because our reserves of own funding will still be there, and we have $5 million extra. And this $5 million actually will be used on R&D, which, as we have been told, $5 million will be provided by the VCs if possible, and the company can match another $5 million. In the case the maximum you can do R&D is $10 million. We have $15 million for R&D. So, and R&D takes 1 quarter to be out. We have the advantage of first quarter to be out earlier than them with $5 million more of the R&D product tax that they do not have.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you help us get